Yeah. I guess we landed Middle Island, aka R.I.P. Kobe and R.I.P. Loot Lake, and and his daughter. By the way, I know you guys can't hear him, but my friend Gavin, he's being a squeaker right now. It's pretty bad, bro. It's pretty bad. It's pretty bad, my A. Like if I should keep filming and film more, or if I'm just a loser and should stop. Yeah, my A. I got a green and purple, or green and blue pistol. Oh shoot, I'm gonna die. Oh shoot, oh shoot. Oh, I lived. What is all that? Whoa, my. I'm done with this game. I have 3 pistols. I've opened 3 chests, and every single one has had a pistol. Sorry, I've opened 2 chests, and yeah. I don't have a gun, bro. Whoa, 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 whoa. No, don't expose me, my man. What you putting me, mate? Guys, I'm getting bullied. Oh, oh. I like it. I said I like it like that. Yeah, yeah, yeah. We are rushing Middle Island. Yeah, yeah, yeah. We are rushing Middle Island. Yeah, yeah. We are rushing Middle Island. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. I can't pick it up. I can't pick the gun up. Should I shut my mouth? Thank you, chat. I'm not thankful for anything, mate, except for my life and my family. And I love my life. Look at it, this dude. Look at this fat looking hay bale looking dude. Oh, kids. Like their sweats. Oh, baby, let's go. Slurpy fishy. Yeah, they are cranking. Flopper, do you mind carrying that, my mate? Oh, no, a flop here, mate. Oh, another flopper here. Gavin, there's another flopper here. Brother. The opera is funny. I don't know. Because nobody's commenting and saying I should, play more than one game. Da memes drop. Yeah, yeah. What? Yeah, guys, don't forget to go follow Gavin Gunnarsson 27 on TikTok if you are a TikToker. Sorry, my fault. Gavin Gunner, like Gunnar, and yeah, Gavin Gunnar, 27. Do it for the boys, okay? There's another flopper here. Another one, right? I have like none, mate. I only have 3 under 27. I have a big pot and a Slurpee. I mean Slurpfish. I mean Slurpees. No, I wanna get the chest. See, Gavin, that was a good thing I got the chest. 2 big pots or 1 big pot. Now I have 2 big pots. And I wanna go fish. Is a flopper here? It's a rusty can looking what? Oh, there's a bully here, mate. Oh, yes, sir, it is. Got another rusty can. Are you serious? Are you, like, even serious, mate? Oh, another flopper! Oh! Oh my god, Gavin, give me the gun. You're not even gonna pick up the bolty? Let's go. Ah. Watch out for the people behind. I only have 300 wood, 200 brick, and 30 metal. Do you mind dropping some for me? Hey, I have 2 big pots and 2 slurp fish. And you have like 8 floppers. Where? Like here? Was it like, oh, it was here? Hmm. Let's go here. It's only 300 meters. It's 1,000 meters to mine. And now it's 2,000 almost. And now it is 2,000. Let's go here. Oh, excuse me. Don't do that in front of your mom, okay? Chat. Bleh. I'm rushing. Have a slurpfish. Come here. Oh! I'm lagging. I'm lagging so hard. I'm lagging actually hard. Like I'm lagging so hard. Oh my god, what? They're actually aimbot. Like legit. Everybody in the lobby's here. Why am I lagging so hard though? The lag. No. No. The item shop is new, or I'm going back to the lobby because something was up in the item shop. Da, 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 da. And that's it for the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Come back tomorrow for another, hopefully dub, but probably a loss in Fortnite. That's